In this lesson, we're going to talk about what to avoid doing too early. This is another big part of good troubleshooting because sometimes your smartest move is not the next action you take, it's the action you deliberately avoid until you know more. Some common examples would include reinstalling Windows too quickly, replacing random parts, downloading random fix tools, continuing to write data to a possibly failing drive, which is a big no no, or changing too many things all at once. And this is why good troubleshooting includes restraint. A strong troubleshooter will ask, what action might make this harder to recover from? What steps are too aggressive right now? And what do I still need to understand before doing something big? And that kind of caution is not weakness, it's professionalism. It means you are thinking ahead instead of reacting emotionally. And this is one of the biggest differences between chaotic troubleshooting and smart troubleshooting. So when you're dealing with the problem, do not only ask, what should I do next? Also ask, what should I not do yet? That question can save you from a lot of unnecessary damage.